Winter in British Columbia can be breathtaking, but it can also be brutal. When temperatures drop, your furnace becomes more than just a machine. It's your shield against the cold, your comfort zone, your peace of mind. But behind that warmth is a system that needs care. Without regular maintenance, your furnace could be working overtime, burning through energy, and inching closer to a costly breakdown. That's where Pioneer Plumbing and Heating comes in. Our heating technicians don't just check boxes. They make sure your furnace is clean, efficient, and safe. From inspecting burners to tightening belts and connections, we treat your home like it's our own. A well-maintained furnace means lower bills, fewer surprises, and a longer service life. It's never just a tune-up with us. It's an investment in your comfort. We take the extra steps to make sure your furnace is operating in its best capacity when we wrap things up on a maintenance call. This winter, stay ahead of the cold. Trust Pioneer Plumbing and Heating to keep your home warm, safe, dry, and worry-free. Call Pioneer Plumbing and Heating today, or visit www.pioneerplumbing.com to schedule an appointment. Your comfort is our priority.